Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut is currently in Andaman Nicobar Island to shoot for her upcoming film Tejas. As the actress arrived in the Union Territory, she paid her visit to Cellular Jail, where Hindu Mahasabha leader Vinayak Damodar Savarkar was imprisoned. Kangana took to Instagram and shared a series of pictures from her visit to Kalapani jail. In the pictures, Kangana is seen sitting by Veer Savarkar's photo as she paid her respect to the legendary freedom fighter. In the caption, Kangana wrote, "Today on arriving in Andaman Island, I visited Veer Savarkar's cell at Kalapani Cellular Jail, Port Blair. I was shaken to the core when inhumanity was at its peak. Even humanity rose to its peak in the form of Savarkarji and looked it in the eye. Faced every cruelty with resistance and determination. How scared they must have been of him. Not only they kept him in Kalapani in those days, it must be impossible to escape this tiny island in the middle of the sea, yet they put chains on him, built a thick-walled jail and locked him up in a tiny hole. Imagine the fear, as if he can fly on thin air across the never-ending sea. What cowards!" Kangana shared that she meditated in Savarkarji's cell and paid her deepest respects. She wrote, "This cell is the truth of Azadi, not what they teach us in our textbooks. I meditated in the cell and paid my gratitude and deepest respect to Veer Savarkarji." Kangana also took to her Instagram stories and shared numerous pictures from inside the jail. On Monday, Kangana was honored with the Best Actress Award for her performance in Hindi films Manikarnika, The Queen of Jhansi and Panga. Kangana was dolled up in a red and golden Kanchipuram sari with heavy gold jewelry for the occasion. The actor had completed her look with a red bindi and gajra in her hair. Kangana also shared glimpses from the award ceremony on her Instagram stories. In one of the pictures, Kangana is seen receiving the prestigious honor from Venkaiah Naidu. Kangana also shared adorable pictures with her parents, celebrating her biggest achievements. On the acting front, Kangana was last seen in Thalaivi. Her upcoming projects include Dhakad and The Incarnation Sita. In the film, she will be seen playing the role of Goddess Sita. The film will be directed by Alokik Desai and will reportedly be released in 5 languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. Dhakad is a spy thriller. The film also stars Arjun Rampal and Divya Datta. Kangana is also all set to make her digital debut as producer with the upcoming film Tiku Weds Sheru, a love story and a satire.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.